Welcome to the Marathon Medic. We have a whole portion of videos on different pads and gels that can really help. Okay, so this is a gel pad that you can reuse. Okay, so you peel it off, and it acts as a cushion for so many different reasons. Let's say you have a bunion here, and there's pressure. Okay. You put it right there. It'll stay on for a while. You can reuse it. Just put it back on the plastic when you're done. Wash your foot. Reuse it when you need it. Lasts for months. Hammer toes. Sometimes you'll have pain on top of the hammer toe, and the shoe is causing pressure. Well, look at that. Right on top of the toe. Okay? Decrease pressure in your shoe. Very common. Very common. Any of the methods. Okay? So this is a gel pad that gives you a cushion and takes some pressure off the head. Check it out. Our website is filled with different gel pads and felt pads, and all of them are adhesive. So the only thing I would say is if you're finding that when you use this that the pads are coming off, or because you're running too much, or you're moving around too much in your shoe, we have a thing called Stick It. And basically, you put that on before you put the gel on, and it stays on longer. Especially, not so much for gel pads, but for the felt pads. It's a unique product. That it's a pre-tape, so it just, you put it on, and whatever you put on the area will stay there longer.